Okay, next is also related to the movie. Means you can, if you are very no free. Okay, I'm told you. Sorry, I have told you already that you traveling in a train. You cannot sit simply. Okay, you can always no. You not only I'm mentioning you. I'm just considering me also. I'm just telling. We cannot sit simply. We will use to talk with our no the people who sit near to us. Okay, we always used to like to have a good communication with each other. If you don't know the language also, it's not a very big problem for us, isn't it? We can do a simple conversation by doing a simple action like this. Okay, so for example, if you want to know, if you want to narrate, or if you want to ask what type of movie you like. Okay, so for example, if anybody is asking a question, what type of movie you like, means you can come up with a point like this. I like action movies because they are fast paced. Okay, that is fast paced means it will move very quickly. So no time, no, the 3 hours will go like a 1 hour. Okay, you are mentioning a fastness of the movie. Okay, you can say like this, I like action movies, okay, because they are very fast. Okay, or you can say I like only a comedy movies. Okay, so because I love to watch a comedy movie, you can say on a different manner. And the second one, action movies are my favorite, or you can say action movies are my favorite, or you can say no, buddy, only a comedy movies, it's my genre. Okay, you can say on a different way. So this is a basic way of you're telling your favorite genre of your movie. Okay. So, and the third one is I like all the action movies with a lot of guns. You're also mentioning a extra point is like what is mean means you're telling I like action movies with a lot of guns. That is means you want a lot of fights. Okay, or you can say I love only a comedy movies with a lot of comedy part. Okay, so you are so these are the different way of expressing your favorite category of movies. Okay, so I'm just revising one more time. What type of movie do you like? So you or if anybody is coming up with a question what type of movie do you like, means you can say like this, I like action movies because they are fast paced. Okay, I'm just taken the action movies everywhere. Okay, for example, if you're not interested in action movies, you can change with your genre here. Okay, but this is a standard thing or way of telling your favorite category of movie. Okay, so first point is I like action movies because they are fast paced. Second thing, action movies are my favorite. Third thing, I like all action movies with a lot of guns. Okay, so next is drama. Now you are going to tell about the drama. Drama means it's a combined no expressions with a lot of emotions and expressions. Okay, so let's see, you're going to talk about related to drama means what are the points you may talk. It means, for example, I like all sort of drama. You're now here, you're particularly you're mentioning a one type of category. Okay, for example, you can mention action movie, or you can mention comedy movie, or you can mention any category of movie. But here you're mentioning a dramatic movie. Dramatic movie means with a lot of emotions of sadness. Okay, you like the very dramatical movie means you can come across with points like I like all sort of drama. Yes, I like all sort of drama, and I like action, like romance, and like comedy. You need it's a combination of these things. And next thing, I like movies that play with my emotions. Okay, so you need a movie like that the movie should touch you, so you need that type of movie. Means you can mention I like movies that play with my emotions. Or third point, drama movies are great because they are the most realistic. You are telling the drama movies is a no, it's a are great because that is so realistic. You are mentioning an extra point to validate the dramatical movie. What you are how you are validating, you are mentioning it is a realistic. Okay, so next thing is the sad drama movies that make me cry. Okay, so I love to watch a sad drama story because it make me to cry. You can mention your favorite category of movie on this type of way. Okay, if you want action movie, you can say on this way, or if you want a dramatical movie, or if you are saying the dramatical movies are my favorite one, you can express on this type of way. Okay,